This is a short demonstration of how to add alternate text to images in Carmen Canvas, and this is so students who are using a screen reader are able to gather meaning from the images. There's a few different ways to add images to Carmen Canvas, and so I'll walk you through those couple different ways because the way that you add alternate text will vary. So the more complicated way to add alternate text is to insert an image from the content menu over here on the right side of the screen. So you have three tabs, links, files, and images. If I go to the images tab, I have an option to upload a new image. So if there's an image that I have on my desktop that I want to add, I can click and I can browse and find an image there. So I've selected my image and I'm uploading my image. Now right now, when you add this image, it doesn't give you automatically a way to add alternate text. This is a feature that will be coming soon, but as of right now, the way that you go about adding alternate text is to go into the HTML editor. So once you have your image loaded here, go to my HTML editor, and you can see there's a long line of text here and numbers, and this is the code that the system is using to present the image. And in this code, I'll highlight it here. You can see it says alt equals quotation marks colored pencils slash pencil slash a whole bunch of numbers underscore more numbers dot jpg quotation. So what the system does, it will automatically provide alternate text from the title of the image, which is usually not what you want. You probably don't want your screen reader reading colored pencils and then all these numbers. Colored pencils by itself might be okay. So once you're into this, you can actually change the alternate text without altering the image. So I can go in and I can maybe delete that extra stuff. I can get rid of the dash there, and now all it says is colored pencils, which I feel like is probably a pretty good alternate text for that particular image. So now I go back to my rich content editor, and now if a student were to come in and look at this image with their screen reader, it would read colored pencils. So I just click save down here at the bottom, and I've got my image saved there. Now, if you already have images saved in the system, there's a couple other ways that you can add images. So if I go up to my embed image icon in the rich context editor, I have a few ways. I can add a URL to an image. I can pull an image from Canvas. I can pull an image from Flickr. So if I were to find, maybe let's just say, I'll look for colored pencils here as well in Flickr. Here's some colored pencils. So if I were to grab that image, sometimes it'll pop up with alternate text on its own. But if you wanted to change that, or if it doesn't do that, you can type in here colored pencils and then update. And now that image is in there, and that image also has alternate text. For more information on how to create effective alternate text, there are some articles in the OD Resource Center Accessibility Service area that can help you with that.